Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I am back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn how to extract text from your Windows 11, from images, videos, from anything. You can easily able to extract the text from Windows 11. So for this guys, you need to download and install one app from the Microsoft Store. First you need to open the Microsoft Store on your PC like this, and here guys you need to search Microsoft Power Toys. So this is the application from the Microsoft. Just you need to download and install this app on your device. Okay, after this guys, press Windows key button and here you need to search Power Toys application and open it. Okay, with this help of app guys, you can easily able to extract the text on your Windows 11. So in the left panel, scroll down, here you can get the option text extractor. Just click and open it. Okay, like this, and here first you need to enable this like this. After enabling, you can activate this feature with the help of shortcut. Press and hold Windows plus Shift button like this. After this guys, just press T button from the keyboard. Okay, it will activate the text extractor on your PC. After this guys, just you need to select your text which you want to extract like this. After this guys, it will copy to your Windows clipboard. After doing this guys, you can easily able to paste this text anywhere on your PC like this. As you can see guys, I have pasted this text in my Word document. So this is the very easy and very useful application. So with this help of application, you can easily able to extract the text on your Windows 11. So that's it for today guys, the short and very simple video. Hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy, please guys don't go back without like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.